Hey guys, Drezo here. Just making a quick YouTube video on basically how you set up Tabletop Simulator, uh, how the game works, how do you host a lobby. So, first off, you're going to create a game, click on multiplayer. Server name's going to be whatever you need it to be, public. By default, the password's always ttsclub. You create a server, you load the mod, easy as that. Now, where do you get the mod? How do you find the mod? Recently it's changed, so you're able to get these mods on the community workshop. So just real quick. So I hit Shift Tab on PC, that's how I get to Steam Community. And let's move this around. So I'm gonna go here. I'm on Steam, I'm already on Tabletop Simulator. Click on the workshop button. So once you're on the workshop, on the mods, we're just gonna look for these mods. Search for Dune. And right here, you're going to see Dune Uprising Bloodline scripted. Uh, there is another mod that has the exact same thumbnail. Uh, there's a few of them, but the most recent one, the one you're going to be looking for, is by Rogerio. Open it up. You should see like a plus icon. So as I don't have this, this is the icon, the plus. You're just going to click on it. It's going to get added to your library. Once it's subscribed, it's going to automatically update itself, and you're going to see it right there uh, when you're loading the game. Now, if you already have a lobby open, the way you load your games, you just click on Games on the top left, click on Workshop, and click on whatever you want to load up. Now, standard host practices, so this is a live game that I'm going to be playing, and I'm hosting this game. So usually, after all four people have joined, you just want to reload the mod fresh. This makes sure, nobody has visual glitches, stuff isn't staged. Uh, I'm playing Bloodlines Community here, so I'm just going to click Rank Game, and I'm going to hit Setup. If you're not playing Community, you would either turn off Community Balance or most likely be using a different mod. But that's about it. So the game's been set up. Uh, should be as simple as that. And thanks for watching. I hope this helped. And don't be toxic. Alright, see you later.